Hi students, this is a 8th problem I'm solving. So 8th problem is Naina and Kane are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 6 is to 4 from the following trial balance. And the adjustments given below prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended and balance sheet as on the date. So this is the trial balance. So in this particular debit amount and credit amount is given. Using this trial balance, we need to calculate the trading account, P&L account, and balance sheet. So these are Nene and Kane both are partners. These partners, the opening stock is this much. So Nene's is a 15 lakhs and Kane's is a 10 lakhs. Next, sundry creditors rent for 10 months. Stock, opening stock we have premises, salaries, discount, motor vehicles, sales, purchases, wages, office expenses, bank overdraft, provident fund investment, cash in hand, so provident fund contribution, provident fund cash at bank, so interest on PPF, provident fund investment, drawings, how much they withdraw the amount, and the bad debts and what was the reserve doubtful debt. This is the trial balance they have given. So using this trial balance, we need to prepare P and trading account first. Next, we are going to prepare P&L account, then balance sheet. So balance sheet and P&L account will start together only. There are adjustments given. So adjustments are first one is closing stock, and closing stock is 3,60,000 rupees, and outstanding wages 3,000 rupees. Salaries is 2,000 rupees. Next, depreciate motor vehicle. It will come in a balance sheet 5% per annum. So on a motor vehicle, we need to calculate 5% per annum. Next is write write off bad debts of 5,000 rupees. Bad debts is a 5,000 rupees. This is a new bad debts. This is and reserve for doubtful debt. This is a new one. That's on a 5% sundry debtors. You need to calculate the RDD and bad debts. So Kane withdraw goods of worth rupees 6,000 rupees for his personal use. So only Kane has withdraw goods of rupees 6,000 rupees. These are the adjustments. Now we'll solve the problem. First one is opening stock. In a trial balance, it is opening stock is 3 lakh 5 lakhs 35,500 rupees. 5 lakh 35,000. So opening stock is given here on 1st April 2018 5 lakh 35,500 rupees. So I have taken it here opening stock. Next is purchases. To purchases amount is 6 lakhs 40,500 rupees. 6 lakh 40,500 rupees. Next we have a purchase return also. Purchase return we have how much? So 3,500 rupees. 3,500 rupees as a purchase return. So after deducting 3,500 rupees will come here purchase returns. So 6 lakhs 40,500 rupees minus 3,500 rupees, we got amount 6 lakhs 37,000 rupees. So this is a net purchases. 6 lakhs 37,000 is a net purchase. Next amount is wages. Next entry is wages. So wages amount is it is 10,000 rupees. We have a adjustment for the wages. So that is 10,000 rupees is taken here. We have adjustment. We'll see what is the adjustment is given. Wages they are given, it is 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees is a wages, outstanding wages. So we need to, the wages amount is, it is 10,000 rupees, and outstanding wages is 3,000 rupees. Outstanding wages is 3,000 rupees, that we have taken it here. That outstanding wages we always adding with a wages. So it becomes a 13,000 rupees. 13,000 rupees. Next is a buy sales. Buy sales amount is 8 8 lakhs 40,500 rupees. Sales amount is 8 lakhs 40,500 rupees. That is a credit side we are taking. So since it is a expenses, the indirect income. So 8 lakh 40,500 rupees, and so returns is how much? Sales return is we need to take 5,500 rupees. So that is the amount of sales returns is a 5,500 rupees. So net sales becomes after deducting 8 lakhs 40,500 rupees minus 3,500 rupees, we got 8 lakh 35,000 rupees as a net sales. Next amount is there is adjustment. Thou can I withdraw goods of worth rupees, it is 6,000 rupees. For personal purpose, he withdraw the amount that is 6,000 rupees. Goods withdraw amount of 6,000 rupees for his personal use. So that I have taken it here. He withdraw some amount 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees. It I have mentioned here 6,000 rupees. Withdraw amount of 6,000 rupees. So it's coming here. Can a personal use that is 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees is here. So next by closing stock. Closing stock we have in. So closing stock amount is 3 lakh 60,000 rupees. So this closing stock will take in a trading account 3 lakh 60,000 rupees. Then we need to add. So this closing stock amount will go in a balance sheet also. Balance sheet level asset side. So 3 lakh 60,000 rupees and plus 6,000 rupees and 8 lakh 35,000 rupees. So it becomes 12 lakh 1,000 rupees is a this side total amount credit side, and for 5 lakh 35,500 and 6 lakh 37,000 and 13,000 and 15,500 rupees, sorry, not 15,500 rupees, these three amounts including it becomes a 12,000 12 lakhs 1,000 rupees. In a 12 lakh 1,000 rupees we need to deduct these three amounts: 5 lakh 35,500 rupees and 6 lakh 37,000 rupees and 13,000. Then we'll get an amount of 15,500 rupees. So we got an amount of gross profit is 5 lakh 15,500 rupees as a gross profit we got. So this gross profit amount will take in a P&L account. So that I have taken it in a P&L account credit side. So that is 15,500 rupees for the further calculation. Next is two salaries. Two salaries amount is 50,000. 50,000 rupees salaries. So that I have taken, and we have salaries adjustment also, that is a 50,000 rupees, and outstanding wages it was a in a adjustment it is there. In adjustment it is given that salaries is 2,000 rupees. Salaries amount is 2,000 rupees. So that I have taken it here 2,000 rupees in a salaries. 50,000 plus 2,000 outstanding wages as a 2,000 rupees. So altogether it becomes 50,000 plus 2,000, it's a 52,000 rupees. Next is to depreciation. So this depreciation amount will calculate in. So salaries it is a 50,000. We had adjustment and it becomes a 52,000 rupees. Next is depreciation. This depreciation we are calculating in the balance sheet. That is a depreciation motor vehicle is how much rupees? Its motor vehicle amount is 3 lakh 70,000 rupees. So it is 3 lakh 70,000 rupees. So I taken it at 3 lakh 70,000 rupees. So we need to depreciate amount is so 5% per annum. So after calculating it 3 lakh 70,000 rupees, so we got a depreciation amount as 18,500 rupees. So next amount is bad debts. Bad debts amount is 3,350 rupees. 3,350 rupees we got it here, and add bad debts of new bad debts we need to add. This is a 5,000 rupees. That 5,000 rupees, and add new RDD. New RDD amount is 5%. New RDD amount is 5% on Sunday debtors. Sunday debtors we need to calculate a 5%, so we get an amount of 22,250 rupees. So altogether it becomes 30,600 rupees, and less owed RDD. And less owed RDD is amount 3,700 rupees. 3,700 rupees. So it is total amount is 26,900 rupees. Next amount is rent. So rent amount is for a 10 months, and it is 10,000 rupees. So we have taken it here 10,000 rupees. Add outstanding rent. Outstanding rent is, so add outstanding rent 2,000 rupees. So total becomes 12,000 rupees. Next is to discount. Discount amount is 800 rupees. Discount amount is 800 rupees, and we have a debit side also and credit side also. So this credit side amount I'm taking in a credit side only. By discount amount is 950 rupees, and debit side amount is I'm taking in debit side only, that is 800 rupees. So next is to office expenses. Next office expenses is 20,000 rupees. So outstanding office expenses is 20,000 rupees, and to provident fund. Provident fund is 8 lakhs rupees. So provident fund taken it provident fund, think how much. So provident fund, not investment, we need to take a contribution, that is a 1 lakh rupees that I taken it here. So 1 lakh rupees. And so this is a debit side amount is more than the credit side amount, so this is a net loss for the business. So that amount will come here. So that is net loss transfer to capital account. So how much we need to calculate these amounts, we need to add these amounts. So after adding these amounts, so we got 2,30,200 rupees as the total amount. So we taken it here also 2,30,200 rupees. In that we need to subtract 15,500 rupees plus 950 rupees. After deducting amount, we get a 2,13,750 rupees. 2,13,750 rupees is the loss for the partners. We need to distribute this loss for the partners in the ratio of 6:4. It was in the beginning. This net loss 2,13,750 rupees, that we need to mention, we need to share with the partners, that in a ratio of 6:4. 6:4. So 2,13,750 rupees into 6 divided by 4 divided by 10. So we got amount 1,28,250 rupees for an NA, and for Kane it is 2,13,750 into 4 divided by 10. So he got an amount of 85,500 rupees. So this amount will transfer in a balance sheet. So as now we have calculated a balance trading account and P&L account. Now we'll see the balance sheet. This is the total amount 2,30,200 rupees. This amount will transfer in a balance sheet. So after calculating trading account and P&L account, so now I am go through balance sheet. Some entries already calculated in a balance sheet. Those entries are passed in a P&L account also. So according to adjustment, we need to solve the problems. Like now balance sheet I'm going. So there was a capital account. Okay, in this problem we are studying that in this problem this is a net loss. So till 7th problem we studied that net profit. So now it is a net loss. This net loss will transfer to capital account in a balance sheet. So they are having opening stock of Nene. So that was a 15 lakhs rupees, and less we need to less the amount because it is a loss. So net loss is coming 1,28,000 for a 1,28,750 rupees for a net loss. So and their drawings also is there, and we need to less the drawings also. They withdraw the amount of Nene withdraw amount of 20,000 rupees. That's 20,000 rupees is here. So how much is withdraws? He withdraw 20,000 rupees, that is coming here. So in the opening stock, we need to deduct these amounts: net loss amount and drawings. Then we got an amount of 13 lakhs 51,750 rupees is a capital account of Nene. Next, we need to calculate for the capital for uh, Kane. So Kane's amount is opening amount is 10 lakhs. His amount is 10 lakhs. He got a net loss of rupees 85,000. We calculated in the P&L account that we shared in the ratio of 6:4 ratio. So and his withdrawals amount is 21,000 rupees. Kane's withdrawals is 15,000 rupees. So that we are deducting. So Kane's withdraw amount of 21,000. Before it was a 15,000 he withdraw, and before he withdraw 15,000 rupees, and again in adjustment there is a they have mentioned that 6,000 also he withdraw for his personal use. So altogether it is a 21,000 rupees. 15,000 plus 6,000. So it becomes a after deducting 9 lakh 14,500 rupees. So he got 8 lakhs 93,000 rupees, 93,500 rupees. This is capital account. So next is sundry creditors. Sundry creditors amount is, so next entry is sundry creditors. Sundry creditors amount is, sundry creditors amount is 3 lakhs rupees. So I take on here sundry creditors amount in the outer column only. There is no adjustment for the sundry creditors. Next is outstanding expenses. For the outstanding expenses we have adjustments also. So what in our outstanding expenses, what are the entries are coming? Wages we had a adjustment, and salaries also. You can see here wages they have given how much, 3,000 rupees, and salaries it is 200 rupees, and rent they have taken 2,000 rupees. So it's all together it becomes 7,000 rupees. So next is a bank overdraft. Bank overdraft amount is 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 rupees as a bank overdraft. So next entry is provident fund. Provident fund is 2,80,000 rupees. Provident fund is amount is 2,80,000 rupees. I taken it here. So add interest and provident fund. Interest amount how much it got? It is a 42,000 rupees. 42,000 rupees is a provident interest on provident fund investment. So it becomes 42,000 rupees plus 2,80,000. It is a 3,22,000 rupees is a provident fund amount got. Okay. Next is will come in a liability side. Sorry, motor vehicle amount is 3,70,000 rupees. There we need to calculate a depreciation 5%. Depreciation 5% on motor vehicle. So we got it after calculating in a 3,70,000 into 5 divided by 100, we got a 18,500 rupees as a amount. So after deducting in a motor vehicle amount, so we got it a 3,51,500 rupees. Next amount is less sundry data. Sundry data amounts. Sundry data amount is 4,50,000. So next amount is less bad debts. Bad debts is how much? It is bad debts is a 5,000 rupees. See here bad debts amount is in the adjustment it is given 5,000 rupees. So I taken it in the balance. The adjustment it is given that bad debts is a 5,000 rupees. I taken here less bad debts in a 4,50,000 rupees. So I got it 4,45,000 rupees. Then less added here 5% rupees on a sundry debtors. So after calculating on a sundry debtors, we got it at 22,250 rupees. So amount is after deducting amount 4,22,750 rupees. Next is provident fund. For a provident fund investment, it is 8 lakhs rupees. Cash in hand, cash at bank. Cash in hand is 40,000 rupees, and taken in a balance liabilities. Asset side, it is a 40,000 rupees, and cash at bank. Cash at bank is rupees 2 lakh. 2 lakh I have taken in a asset side. This is a asset for the business. And the closing stock, we have mentioned it before only, it has given in the adjustment. So after this, we need to calculate both side entries, both side records, like a 3,51,500 rupees and 4,20,750 rupees and 80,000, 8 lakhs, 8 lakhs rupees, 40,000 plus 2 lakhs plus 3,60,000 rupees. So we got it 30 lakh. So altogether we got it 30 lakh 24,250 rupees as a balance this side. And now we'll calculate in a liability side. So liability side 13 lakh 51,750 plus 8 lakhs 93,500 rupees and 3 lakhs plus 7,000 plus 1 lakh 50,000 plus 3 lakh 22,000. So it becomes a 30,000, 30 lakhs 24,250 rupees. So both side entries are coming same. So both side total amount is same, 3,24,250 and 30 lakh 24,250. So both side amount is coming equally. So this balancing. So this is a then only you can consider that this problem is correct. So till now we calculated the trading and profit and trading account and profit and loss account, and we calculated the balance sheet. We have adjustment for a rent and a provident fund. So need to, these are the new adjustments for the in this problem. So till now I'm completing a eighth problem.